神戸15時14分西明石15時22分
So we're on a bullet train going to Kyoto.
We got bento box.
Hers is the jumbo pack and mine is the...
No, they're about the same size.
No, they're not.
Okay, we are...
Is that a bad joke?
The wasabi. We are in Shinkansen, the bullet train. Sorry, we are talking really softly right now because in Japan it's very important and proper to keep your voice low in public, especially. But anyways, we are talking really softly because
You finally finished.
We are in the train, bullet train from Tokyo to Kyoto.
Kyoto. So Kyoto used to be a long time ago.
Yeah,
the capital of Japan.
So anyways, before we get onto this train, guess what we got? Bento box. Where's your bento box? Dude? Come on, bring it. Oh, smells good. Oh, smells good. Bento box.
So before you go up to your track or your platform where your train's gonna be, they'll have like a bento box store to where you can get, and they have like the fake food bento box, but then you go and just pick the number, and they come like this, like we showed you, and you can get your waters or teas or beers.
It's already wrapped it up, and it's supposed to be look like the sample looked like that they shows on the thing.
Little wet wipes to clean your hand. I love going out to the restaurants and the bento box place and the airplane whenever they give you the like wet wipes to clean up your hands. I love that part. Really
everywhere in Japan they give you. We're gonna start to open the bento box. It has chopstick inside.
Chopstick and a toothpick.
Dude, it looks exactly like the sample. I can't even believe it. It smells so good.
It's got some pickled vegetable, shrimp, tempura, rice, octopus, eel, egg.
The inside of bento box is covered with the gold. Look at that, how fancy it is. Okay, now you wanna see mine? Oh my god.
Whoa, dude.
Looks so gorgeous.
She's like, yeah, they're about the same. Hers has a little salmon, some fish cake, some more pickled vegetables, shrimp, egg, omelet again. It almost looks like a holiday special lunchbox.
Holiday special.
Yeah, because it's all like, this is like the gold and the...
Yeah, and the pink, and it's so pretty. This is just so pretty.
Yours better. You gonna share?
I don't know if I can eat this.
You can. I'll show you.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I can.
The octopus?
Octopus? Oh, this fish cake is shaped as like a little
leaf.
Soup.
Your chopstick broke.
What happened?
Sorry, I about dropped it. That's
this
good.
is a tofu fish cake. Remember, this is $10 bento box. Clams.
Oh, that's clam, not mushroom. I need rice with the clam.
I'm eating rice with the anchovy. I like that even the plain rice, they put something on the top. So you don't have to rely on all the side dishes. Oh, this is lotus root.
This is green pepper.
This is seaweed.
This one.
I bet that's seaweed too. 맛있다?
Yeah, it's really good.
There's so many things. There's no like wasted spot. Pickled radish. You have tamagoyaki too? I have a tamagoyaki too. Have you noticed the Japanese tamagoyaki is more sweeter than the salty? It's more like a castella cake. I love it.
What is this one?
Tofu skin.
this eel is in the shape of eel.
This is shrimp tempura. Oh, you have a shrimp too.
Pinko shrimp.
Shrimp fry. I don't know what this is. It's so pretty though. I bet this is natural color. Ginger.
Yeah, ginger? Pickled ginger? Is it pickled? You like it?
I actually like it. It's not that strong.
Potato.
When the bulldog shredded like this, it's just amazing. It's stir fried with some soy sauce, mirin, maybe a little ginger and little sugar. Is it good? Is the potato good? I love bulldog. I really have no idea what this deep fried thing is, so I'm gonna give it a try. Chicken. Chicken karaage.
But mine's pork.
Minced meat. I love chicken karaage.
Oh, I wonder what this one is.
Radish.
Radish? Cooked radish. Delicious. I like
Can I have
this
a
in
bite
soup.
of it?
No.
Radishes, when they cook, so sweet. I like sharing bento box together, so we get to try all different kinds of stuff. Only wish if I had the kimchi. I never even tried this beans. I'm not a big fan of beans.
I want to try it.
It's sweet. It's almost dessert. Still have food that I haven't tasted yet.
No, that's the fried tofu one? Let me have a bite.
Ooh, juicy. Overall, the bento box is very well balanced with the carbohydrate, with the vegetables, variety of different vegetables, protein coming from fish, meat, also vegetable protein like a tofu and stuff, and great texture mixture of dried ingredients, wet ingredients, boiled one, fried one, braised one,
And flavors
so
too.
many different stuff.
Really savory, some slightly sweet, some a little bit more refreshing, kind of clean your palate and such.
Some are crunch and some are soft and some are silky, some are chewy. I feel like a pig right now.
That's because it's just a little after lunchtime, like 1-ish, and this is our third full meal of the day.
We already killed 2 bowls of ramen.
And in the first bowl of ramen, I might or might not have gotten extra noodles.
I forgot about that.
Oh, and we had a pastry, so we had a snack in between all that too.
We are peeking out in Japan. I mean, who wouldn't? I think life in Japan, the side title is peeking out in Japan. From Tokyo to Kyoto, part 1, bento box experience is done, and part 2, from Kyoto to Tokyo, is about to start right now. What's up, guys? So we are on the way from Kyoto to Tokyo now. It's 3 days later, 4 days later.
4 days later. 4 days later.
4 days later, okay. We had amazing time in Kyoto. It's been beautiful, very historical. Kyoto is one of the places you definitely want to check out. So anyways, since we are in Shinkansen again,
Bento time.
bento time, we're gonna eat another bento box. So last time we got like a little more like a fancier style with the fish and lots of side dishes and pickled vegetables, the chikemono. So this time we got a little more friendly, more like the flavor we can imagine what it'll be. You know what I mean? Like a little familiar to our flavor. Another thing we got too is the soup.
In a can.
Warm soup in a can. So this is a miso soup, clam flavored miso soup. By the picture I can just kind of guess. And he
Corn
got
soup.
creamy corn soup. It's pretty cool though. I should have shaken it before.
Oh yeah. It tastes like. Sorry, it smells like corn.
Smells like miso soup.
Imagine that.
It tastes
So-
like exactly clam miso soup. Oh, I can smell that. Can I taste it?
Tastes like cream corn.
It's
But a
fire
little-
good.
A little diluted.
It's surprisingly good. I can't even imagine. I didn't know I would ever drink soup out of can like that.
Oh, no. Even has on the directions right here.
Yeah, shake it.
to spin it around.
Oh.
Does it have clam chunks in it?
No, I haven't really got that far yet. Jacob got the bento box with I think that's a teriyaki chicken, some pickled ginger, braised vegetables, the radish, carrot, and shiitake mushrooms,
And
potato salad with soboro, and I got some pork belly rice bowl with half-boiled eggs.
Hers looks
and
better than mine.
Some green onion in the middle. So let's give it a try. I wish we could like warm it up a little bit this in a microwave, but
I just tried the mincemeat with the egg. Not bad. It's got a lot of pickled ginger. Get rid of this thing.
I think I will need to pickle the ginger.
You can have some. I mean, obviously, it'd be better warm. That's pretty good. How is it?
It's sweet and savory. Has a nice char flavor. I think this is char shidong, Chinese style barbecue meat.
Okay.
More rice, please.
Can I try one? Oh, that's a big one. I like that one.
Yeah, eggs. Soft boiled eggs.
So good.
With the edible rice that has a sauce, the sweet savory soy sauce.
Shiitake mushrooms, always delicious here.
Ladies and gentlemen, at Naibara, the exit will be on the left side of the train. Passengers going to the Tokaido and Hokuriku lines, please change trains here at Naibara. Thank you.
Soup break.
Soup break.
It snowed here. That's why it's so bright right now.
乗り換えのご案内いたします。
This isn't all we got. I've seen a lot of these and they look really good, but it's just like I never imagined like they're really as good as they are. I don't know, it's like a surprise every time. It's just so good, this little bitty box.
Japanese take bento really seriously. The bento box that sells in the station called Ekiben, and they are even better level.
There's a lot of corn down there. Should have did this the first time.
Only if I see any climbers.
You would have at least got a piece by now, I think. So no clam in the clam miso, but definitely corn in the corn soup.
You like pork better or the chicken better?
I think I like the chicken.
Yeah?
Pork's good too.
It's all good. I just wish this pork one had more sauce. But overall, pork is really tender.
I'm full. Go ahead.
Oh wait, we have a Futomaki. So Futomaki is Japanese kimbap. This is actually the original, where the origin coming from the kimbap.
It looks like sushi burrito size, but bigger, I think.
Chopsticks, the little wet wipes as always.
How do you eat that? Oh my gosh. It's as big as your kimbap, as big as your head. What is it called again?
Futomaki.
Futomaki, as big as your head.
So it has egg, eel, crab meat, burdock, pickled burdock, cucumber, fish eggs, pickled bamboo, shiitake mushrooms.
So go into your kitchen, get everything that you can think of, and put it in a roll.
Look how big this is. It's ridiculous. Are you ready for like putting one bite?
What? What? What?
One bite.
진짜?
Challenge accepted, dude. You don't know Seonkyoung longest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think there's 11 ingredients. Filling.
That was stupid.
That was fun.
That was dumb. Oh man, my jaw hurt. It's pretty good though. It's tastes like kimbap but with sushi rice. Like a mountain of ingredients. You got some on your mouth. That's
I saved it for later. I didn't want you to know it. But we are still not done.
What?
We are still not done.
We got
We
what?
got dessert. We got this from Arashiyama in Kyoto. Oh, best thing ever you will put in your mouth. Seriously. It's clumped up. But this is type of mochi.
We didn't eat it right away, so it kind of got a... Is there another one in there?
Nope. Only for Seonkyoung.
Okay. Knock
Nope.
yourself out.
It's almost like jelly like mochi.
You put that whole big roll in your mouth, but you won't put all that? Let me see. Come here. What?
Is it so good? I never had a sweet
Gave you a
tooth.
sweet tooth, I guess.
I never had a sweet tooth
But
or
it's
wanting
not-
to eat sweets.
But it's not overly sweet. You know, it's sweet, but not like punch in the mouth gonna give you a cavity sweet.
And it tastes like empty calorie.
Sure it is. Come here. Make sure that okay. Yeah, like
You keep taking all the food I saved for later.
in your hair.
Thank you so much for watching our journey of Bento box with Shinkansen in Japan. No sponsored, none of them are sponsored. We just choose however we like. But yeah, but guys, thank you so much for watching us, and we'll see you next time. Bye.